Automobile safety is paramount for drivers and passengers alike. Each year, organizations like Euro NCAP and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, conduct rigorous crash tests to evaluate the safety performance of new vehicles. In 2024, several models stood out for their exceptional safety features and test results. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class emerged as a leader in safety. This executive sedan achieved impressive scores: 92% in adult occupant protection, 90% in child occupant protection, 84% in vulnerable road user protection, and 87% in safety assist technologies. These results highlight Mercedes-Benz's commitment to integrating advanced safety systems into their vehicles. Another noteworthy performer is the Zeekr X, a compact electric SUV from Chinese manufacturer Geely. The Zeekr X scored 91% for adult occupant protection, 90% for child occupant protection, 84% for vulnerable road user protection, and 83% for safety assist features. Its robust safety performance underscores the advancements in safety technologies by newer automotive brands. The Volkswagen Passat and Skoda Superb also excelled in safety evaluations. Both models, sharing the same platform, achieved identical scores: 93% in adult occupant protection, 87% in child occupant protection, 82% in vulnerable road user protection, and 80% in safety assist systems. These results reflect the Volkswagen Group's dedication to maintaining high safety standards across its brands. In the large SUV category, the Mazda CX-80 stood out with commendable safety scores. It received 92% for adult occupant protection, 88% for child occupant protection, 84% for vulnerable road user protection, and 79% for safety assist features. Mazda's focus on safety ensures that the CX-80 provides robust protection for all occupants. The Tesla Cybertruck, known for its futuristic design, underwent safety evaluations by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. It achieved a 5-star overall safety rating, with 5 stars in most categories, including side crash scenarios. However, it received 4 stars for passenger safety in frontal crashes and rollover scenarios. Notably, the Cybertruck did not receive a pedestrian safety rating, highlighting an area for potential improvement. In contrast, some vehicles did not perform as well in safety evaluations. For instance, the Suzuki Swift received a 1-star rating in the 2024 NCAP safety tests, indicating significant room for improvement in occupant protection and safety features. These evaluations demonstrate the automotive industry's ongoing commitment to enhancing vehicle safety. Manufacturers across the globe are integrating advanced safety technologies to protect drivers, passengers, and vulnerable road users, ensuring safer journeys for all.